Hey guys, in this lesson, I want to talk about plan regions. Now, I know in previous lessons we've talked about view ranges and what our cut plane through our model is, but I want to use this lesson to go back over those, to clarify any points that might have been confusing, because cut planes and view ranges will continue to play an important role as this course progresses. So right now, we're cutting through this building at a certain height. And if we go down to our view range settings in the properties window, and you can see that the height of our cut plane is 4 feet above the first floor. But how would this impact the bathroom, for example? Well, let's go to 3D view to see. The bathroom area is over here, but we have a high window in there. Now the other windows on the first floor, which you can see in the floor plan, are completely visible and display quite well with the cut plane. The high window, though, is almost invisible. Now, one of our first instincts to solve this problem might be to change the view range, so let's set the cut plane to 7 feet. And when we hit apply... Okay, now we can see the window now. Although this worked this time, if the window is too high, it may cause problems. For instance, if we set the window to 7 foot 1 inch, then you can see it disappears again. Now there's a reason for that. 7 foot 1, and I'll actually go in and change my view range to 7 foot 1. Actually, I'll make it 7 foot 2, just so it's a little bit over. Okay, so what's happened is we've gained the visibility of the window, but we've lost all the other windows, since the cut plane has moved up the building. So we're no longer cutting through those windows, we're actually cutting above those windows, which lets us see the bathroom window, but isn't good for the entire model. So how can we get the best of both worlds? Well, that's where plan region views come into play. So I'm going to reset some of my parameters. Starting with the view range, I'll set the cut plane back to 4 feet. Because right now, how everything is depicted and what I want to cut through is correct. All except for that one area. So this is where we can use plan regions to help. Go to the View tab, and select Plan Region from Plan Views. You'll see things gray out, and then you'll see the sketch tools. And you have all the normal tools. You have Modify, you have your Draw tools, but you only have your View Range option in this. So if I just draw a rectangle on the floor plan, and I'm just doing it as best I can, the model looks the same. But if we edit the view range, let's say we change the cut plane to, let's make it 7 foot 4, since that high bathroom mirror was at 7 foot 1, then when you click apply, you'll be able to see the window. So what plan regions allow you to do is set specific view ranges for certain areas on your model, for situations like this where one object doesn't quite conform to what you have for everything else. So you get the best of both worlds using plan regions. Alright, I hope this lesson has been useful, and I'll see you in the next one.